In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a Twitter feed to your Squarespace website. Integrating social media into your site can enhance engagement and keep your visitors updated with your latest tweets without leaving your page. Let's dive right in and make this process as straightforward as possible. First, we need to head over to Elfsight, a fantastic tool that allows you to create custom widgets for your website. Once you're on Elfsight's homepage, look for the Twitter widget. You can do this by navigating through their widget options or simply using the search bar to locate it faster. The Twitter widget is the key component here because it allows you to seamlessly display your Twitter feed on your Squarespace site. After locating the Twitter widget, click on it to start customizing your feed. You will be prompted to add your Twitter profile. This is where you'll be inputting your Twitter handle, which will automatically pull your feed into the widget. Take a moment to customize the appearance of the widget to match your website's aesthetic. Elfsight offers a variety of customization options, from adjusting the colors to changing the layout. So take advantage of these to make sure the widget complements your website design perfectly. Once you're satisfied with the customization, it's time to publish your widget. Elfsight makes this step incredibly easy. Look for the Publish button, usually found towards the bottom of your customization screen. Clicking this will generate a code specifically for your customized Twitter feed widget. This code is what you'll need to integrate the feed into your Squarespace site. So go ahead and copy it to your clipboard. It's a good idea to keep this code handy in case you need to access it again later. Next, we'll switch over to your Squarespace website. Log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the page where you want your Twitter feed to appear. This could be your homepage or any other page where you think your Twitter feed would be most beneficial. Once you're on the desired page, look for an option to add a new block. In Squarespace, you'll want to add a code block. This is where you'll paste the code you copied from Elfsight. Once you've located the code block option, click to add it to your page. A window will pop up where you can paste the Elfsight code. Carefully paste the code into the block, ensuring there are no additional spaces or characters that could interfere with the embedding process. After pasting the code, save your changes. This action will integrate the Twitter feed into your page, allowing your visitors to see your latest tweets directly on your site. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a Twitter feed to your Squarespace website. This integration not only keeps your content fresh, but also encourages more interaction with your Twitter profile. If you need to make any changes to the feed, you can simply revisit Elfsight, adjust your settings, and update the code on Squarespace. Thank you for watching and enjoy your newly enhanced website.